love food, we love company, we love friendship, and we love to get together and have a good time. That's what our motto is at the Donnici Club.
The dinner right now that we're going to be celebrating this Sunday is called the Frittule. It's a very ancient word. Basically, it's all it's a pig feast or pork, all pork products, right? It's mostly the bellies, the skin. We're going to be doing some meatballs.
This began 1989 to try and keep the traditions of where we're coming from, the Donnici, the village of Donnici, and something that was done for years and years. A group of men, which is usually anywhere between 12 to 15, they start working at 8 o'clock on the Wednesday, and they don't finish until Sunday, 5 o'clock. And we're talking about 10 to 12 hours a day. Tradition of our Ciccitielli, which is the dessert that we make for the meal. 8 women that started at 8:30 in the morning, and they did not finish until 9:30 last night. So you can see it's very, very labor intense, but it's also a joy because it gives people a chance to reminisce about their childhood. It gives people a chance to relive their youth.
In total, we have about 50, 60 volunteers over the course of 5 days. This starts Tuesday, and it goes right till Sunday, noon.
Salute! Salute!
Nothing goes to waste. All the things that we'll be cooking, we'll be eating it, basically.
We have 10 cases of cabbage, for example, that have to be cleaned, and then they have to be cooked.
Showtime!
There'll be 230 guests here enjoying the meal.
Our club membership is not necessarily open to just Donnici families. Anybody, as long as they're sponsored by a member, they can be part of our club.
The club has been established for about 40 some odd years, 42, but about 33 years this feast has been going on.
We want people to enjoy the traditions that we work so hard to maintain.